Here's another hunt with Eddie and Danny. This time he's got a round chambered, but it doesn't go off.
Kill him.
Both of these hunts show the importance of staying calm and not panicking when things don't go quite as planned. Most of the time, a coyote will give you several chances to take a shot.
Hold on. Killing this time.
We had hiked over a mile to get back into this stand and had a tough time finding a place where the camera had a decent view. We finally settled in and 10 minutes later had a taker. We sat in the shade under the only available cover in this field, and it clearly shows the importance of a small stool or a 5-gallon bucket to sit on when hunting in tall grass. You just saw the view while standing and the same one while sitting on the ground, and you can see what a clear difference there is. This coyote came in on one of my M44s.